Alrighty, guys, I'm done. All right, that's it. Y'all hear it? I done went steam cleaning. Yeah, I take pride in everybody's car, even the cop cars. Look how pretty that is. Ain't she pretty? Nice, quiet cop car. I don't know what a cover is. I can't remember if it came with a cover. It's time for a test drive. All right, cop car, baby. Let's go drive this thing and see what the hell. Look at this. Damn column shifter. When the last time y'all seen a column shifter? Only these freaking cop cars. All these electronics and googes and gurus and crap in here. Alright, let's go see what's going on, y'all. Let's get it. Alright, guys. You know what's crazy riding around in a cop car? Alright, so everybody's like looking at me and scared, like, oh my God, there's a cop. Look, nobody wants to go past me. I'm not going that fast, but everybody's scared to pass me. When I was leaving the city, I got to one light and this lady literally stopped at the yellow light. She didn't want to even appear to be running the light. I'm like, lady, it's yellow. You can keep going. I'm not the real police. Wait a minute. I'm just JT the car guy. I'm not a popo. I'm not a cop, okay? I don't eat donuts and let my car idle and ruin a nice, good Hemi. This Hemi got some power, y'all. Well, anyway, I'm on a test drive because this is what you do after you make an engine repair. All right, yes, I'm doing my civil duties. I am preparing this car to go out and do protect and serve. In other words, catch the criminals. All right, I'm taking one for the team. Okay, I'm literally there's a crime happening right now that a cop can't get to because I still have his car. I'm gonna turn right here. How you turn the lights on? Anybody know how to work a cop car? I want to go. Where's the? Oh my God! Look, they still got the little old lights where you put bright lights on people. JT, stop clowning around and fix this damn cop car. The car is fixed, guys. It's quiet as a mouse. This Hemi is now quiet. I might leave a little sticker sign on the radio that says, "No idling while you eat your donuts. Eat your donuts, while not idling." Or you can do it and tear the engine up again. I don't care. Well, anyway, it's just really amazing riding around feeling like you got a little power, and the people looking at you, they can't see. It's kind of dark. It's tinted, so the people don't know if I'm a real cop or not. They all scared. I'm like, lighten up, bro. Lighten up. It's okay. I'm not gonna arrest you. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I don't even have no handcuffs. What this guy hide his handcuffs at? JT, stop clowning around. Do your job. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna see when I'm coming up on a light. I'm gonna see how people act at this light. Watch some guy stop at a yellow light. I don't know. We'll see. We're coming up on a light now. I want to see how many people. Look, won't nobody go past that yellow light if they see me. I want to see how many people. Can you make a U-turn here? If you can't make a U-turn here, I'm here, and I wonder if they make a U-turn anyway. But if they see a cop behind them, like me, if that was me right there in the front, like if I look at my rearview mirror and see a car, I'm gonna make a left or right turn immediately. All right, because I don't like cops behind me. They be, see that license plate right there? This guy will be right here, running this guy's license plate, and he could find out he's a wanted killer, or the truck could be stolen, or anything. And then that's the first time I knew how technology exists. A cop walked up to me, he pulled me over. How you doing, Mr. Thomas? Like, how the hell you know my name? They whole setup. He got his laptop now. Look, here goes his CB. I better shut up. I might be being filmed. I might be being recorded right now. Let me shut my damn mouth and turn this camera off. Guys, I gotta go. Ain't no telling what's going on. Ain't no telling what's running in this cop car. They might come arrest me. JT the car guy, you under arrest. Why? Impersonating a cop. All right. So I can't really talk to the airbag light. I don't know about that. I can't really talk to the computer because the security gateway is blocking. They got a lot of stuff tied in, but here's what he's complaining about. And I didn't even think. Y'all see that? Or do y'all hear versus see that? Let me let the one up. So, or what do you don't hear as I turn this up? You don't hear a blower. So it's summertime. They don't have AC. I just heard the fan kick on, but no, I'm talking about blower out of the car. That's the fan under the hood. Okay, so I don't know why the blower ain't working. No AC. You're not going to have AC if your blower ain't working. But let me do this. Let me start another video to start diagnosing this. And technically, I'm done with this car, but you want me to check the AC. I ain't checking nothing for free, dude. I mean, you can pay me diag time. Let me figure out. Yeah, let me go get diag time. Because I don't know why people think, hey, man, while you at it, can you check my AC? No, it don't work like that while you at it. I'm a professional technician, okay? Just because I might can figure out what's wrong with your car in a real quick fashion don't mean it should be free. Like, you take this car to any other shop and tell them your AC don't work, they gonna take you through the diagnostic procedures, and you got to pay for that. All right, so let me go do what I need to do and get some diag time, and yeah, it's not blowing. All right, guys, I'm gonna start another video. Let's get it.